Hazrat Araj states that Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu telling me said, "You people think that Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu frequently narrates the ahadith of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Though one has to appear before Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. I was a poor man and after being satiated would stick around Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whereas the immigrants would remain busy trading in the markets and the helpers would remain busy in agriculture. One day I entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Whoso will keep his garments spread until I terminate my talk and then gather it, will never forget any word he will have heard from me. No sooner did I hear it than I spread my sheet on me. So by him who sent him with truth, I have never forgotten any of his sayings which I heard from him." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7354.